Today I found this recipe from the 1930s, and not only does it take 10 minutes to make, it requires no oven. You're only going to need 5 ingredients and no eggs. Because of how convenient this recipe is to make, it gained a lot of popularity in the 1930s. Even graham cookie companies started printing it on their boxes. To start, we'll be pouring 2 cups of heavy cream in an empty bowl, and then I'm going to add half a cup of powdered sugar and 2 teaspoons of vanilla. Here I'm using my KitchenAid stand mixer, but you can also use a hand mixer to do the job. Keep whisking until the consistency changes. Once the cream becomes thicker, half your recipe is done. In a 9 by 13 inch dish, spread a first layer of the whipped cream. Then we'll place the graham cookies in a way so they don't slide when placing the following layers. We'll add another layer of cream. Now we'll add some fruits. Here I'm using cocktail fruits, but feel free to add your favorite mix of fresh fruits. We'll add another layer of cookies and cream. And then we'll sprinkle with crushed graham crackers and finish with fruits. We'll place it in the fridge overnight before serving. And voila! You have yourself an easy no-bake cake, also known as an icebox cake. Enjoy! If you'd like to see more nostalgic recipes, consider subscribing. Thanks for watching!